If you're experiencing crashing issues with your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance its performance. This guide will help you identify and resolve common problems. Step 1. Check for software updates. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, then System, and select Software Update. Download and install any available updates to improve stability. Step 2. Verify game files. If crashes occur during specific games, verify the integrity of the game files. Open your Steam library, right-click on the game, select Properties, go to Local Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix any corrupted files. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings can help reduce crashes. Launch the game, go to the graphics settings menu, and decrease the resolution or turn off features like anti-aliasing and shadows. Test the game after making changes. Step 4. Monitor temperature. Overheating can lead to crashes. Use a temperature monitoring app to check the Steam Deck's temperature while gaming. If it's too high, consider using a cooling pad or playing in a cooler environment. Step 5. Reinstall problematic games. If a specific game continues to crash, try uninstalling and then reinstalling it. This can resolve issues related to corrupted installations. After reinstalling, check if the game runs smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance the performance of your Steam Deck and reduce crashing issues. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.